Welcome to this fucking little vlog. Title of it, self-pity. We'll be talking about self-pity. I'm going on a little walk because walk is good for your mind. And it's also good to exercise. Like walk that can bring a lot of losing weight in areas when you move your whole body instead of just moving certain muscles. Like today we're talking about self-pity. A lot of people go through that because they don't take control of their situation. A lot of people victim mindsets, victimize their situation, feel smaller than what they go through. And you go through that because it's supposed to make you stronger. It's supposed to, every time that you don't get it, it's supposed to make your hunger more potent, more, bigger than what it is. It's supposed to make you go in and achieve that. But running, walking is very good for your body, your mind, all the type of things like that. Especially going out, expressing yourself, just being in general in good spirits is good for your soul. It's not that cold, it's not that hot, it's warm. It's a perfect day for it. But back to the main dialogue. People who choose to be a victim in a circumstance makes things seem larger than what it is. I don't know if you heard me. A lot of the things that y'all go through, a lot of the shit that I even go through, I'm gonna put myself on the cross. It's not as serious or as deep as something out there. It could be somebody else going through something way worse. Somebody else, having some type of different effect towards you. Look at these dogs. I'm a big dog though. I just want to walk over here. Fuck the dogs. Let's just keep that shit clear. But yeah, like, if you feel like your issues is larger than you can, then making it easy to solve it, then that's how it is gonna come at you. That's how you gonna go about life. Because low self-esteem is derived from depression, and depression is derived from you having a victim mindset. Now look, it's your mind. That's the reason that you feel like things are bigger or out your reach, or feel like you not that, or whatever the fuck you got your head spinning. It's more, if you choose to be the bigger in the situation, be the odd one, be the fucking virus to what is normal, all of that. If you just do something different than what you always do, this could put you out of the predicament you are in. Back to it, so self-pity. A lot of people self-pity their circumstance. It's a habit. It's about people who really complain and bitching. It's really, are you gonna do something? Are you gonna manifest? Are you gonna get up? Or are you just gonna complain and pity yourself? Because that's not gonna get you nowhere. That's gonna get you, look at everybody who's self-pity. They in their life, they ain't do it. They ain't like, let's say, what they go through. Why them? And the people who champions to their life, they don't say why them. They say, yes, this get to be me. Yes, I'm the one that get to go through this. Yes, I'm the one that get straight facts, get straight to it. Like not even, you know, worry about it like it ain't even something that's stressing. So it's like, your mindset could be set on perspective ways of viewing, and the way that you look at it is the way you're gonna go. The way that you go at it, it's all what you focused on, what kind of person, what you are, what kind of spirit you are. Are you a doubtful person? Are you a confident person? Are you a fearless person? Are you a scaredy cat? It all depends on what kind of personality, what kind of spirit you are. We all got a mind. It's all how we use the tool. It's all how we use it. If you can't use your head, you're gonna lose it. So know that. If you ain't gonna use your head, then you're gonna lose it. But like, self-pitying ourselves, it could be, everybody is doing it. That's why they are all trying to use social media as some type of stimuli, some type of outsort that makes people feel like they need to go towards this specific item. Now, I'm walking so I can get in more depth with the body shape that I have. It's an exercise. You could be walking because you want to clear your mind. That was kind of weird. But we're doing it for two different things. But there's other ways to clear your mind. You don't always gotta just walk. Walking is just mindful. You could come to your senses. But you gotta choose how you view your world. Are you a champion? Or are you gonna lose that shit? It's up to you. It's up to your ass, gang. It's up to your ass, ski. If you're gonna be one of those people who don't even try, or you try your hardest, it's up to you. So it's up to you to be known. It's if like, if you put your all in it, or if you actually like, as soon as you tried that shit, you straight up like, I guess, quit. You quit before you even got far. You ain't put no type of effort into it. See, that's like self-pitying yourself. But like, it's a little walk though. I'm walking through people's yard and shit. I gotta go light up. I need to cut. I need to make a cut. But truly, pity yourself, your situation, it could really screw you up. So you gotta choose to actually be the boss, be the tyrant, be the one on top. You gotta think clever, you gotta think ahead. You can't just move away. If you got a certain type of view of life, you're gonna have to move different. You're gonna have to move like on some advanced shit, on some qualified shit. You can't just, y'all can't hear me, and that's y'all fault, but like, this video is really just talking about, like, the main point is like not pitying yourself, not feeling small. You have to, people could feel dumb. You might not be the smartest, but you ain't the dumbest. Now if you're the dumbest, then maybe that's a fucking gift in that. You have to choose to see the gifts in what you go through. Choose to see the gifts in what you got. You know, and it look like a little van. I'm gonna walk right by this van. I'm telling you, we're gonna see what they own. But if y'all work, you're not victim of your situation. You could be something sturdy. You could be something strong. You could be something hard. You could be tough. And look at that died by rock and hell. It's the X-Infinity song. Like, but if you don't give it no try, you don't give it no benefit of doubt, like you be like, oh, this too good to, if you got one of those mindsets, it's too good to be true. That's why things you see in your life play out how it do. Sometimes when it's right in front of you, it's meant for you. If it's right there, you're supposed to have that. If you don't, you ain't supposed to have that. You're not supposed to cry with it. You're supposed to make the best out of what you got. Look at the thing that you got as something ultimate. And it's not out here going to other things, going to another person's what they got, what she got. You can't be looking at that like, oh, that's the ultimate. No, what you got, what you do, what you have is ultimate. It's the best. It's like you choosing to make somebody else on the pedestal make you automatically at the bottom. You automatically serving another master. If you can lead, you can lead. If you follow, that's what you do. So self-pitying, these motherfuckers gonna keep going. They need to go. But self-pity starts with yourself, with your thoughts. You choose to think hard, think like you with that, think like you got shit going for yourself, you can actually pull a lot of more shit out your ass. You can pull a lot more shit out your ass. It's a good ass day to walk, dog. Good for the soul and the mind. Follow people that's inside. Why you scared to step outside? If you was looking for a sign, I'm the one that's gonna say hi. Yeah. But look, back to it. Ending of this, moral of the video. Self-pity comes from a lack of self-esteem. A lack of self-esteem comes from a lack of love, self-love. If you can't look at yourself in the mirror and talk as much shit as you need to get yourself to fucking see shit for real, to get yourself to snap out of whatever shit you lost in. And it could be the simple things that you could be lost in. You could be lost in something so simple. One change, one predict, like one little, like, I guess you want somebody to hold your hand and help you cross to the fucking new way of thinking. And nobody gonna think for you, so you gotta think for yourself. People could lead their thoughts, people could lead their actions, and you could lead from example. But you can't have somebody hold your hands and think for you the whole way. So to everybody who came along the short walk, I want you to know I appreciate all the support I've been getting. And if you hating on me, you need to stop dick riding. That hate train is crazy. But look, Don't be self-pitying. Peace.